Welcome to our ongoing weekly clip series,
Wolff
Wolff Bites.
Hi, I'm Lynette Wolff.
And I'm Brian Wolff.
We're the Wolff couple.
Woo! On this week's exciting Wolff Bites, we're actually doing something a little bit different. We're calling it
Wolff Tales.
And this is where we take the theme of the week and we tell you a little bit of story, a personal story about how we experienced the theme of the week. This week's theme is habits.
That's right, habits. That's what we talked about this week on Teaching Tuesday.
That's
and
right.
I actually broke one of my most hardest habits ever, which I'm sure a lot of you guys can relate to this. Diet Coke.
Yes, we both broke Diet Coke.
So
we both used to drink soda, and a lot of you guys know that about 5 years ago I lost 50 pounds. So I used to weigh 204 and I went all the way down to 154.
Yay.
But then I realized, you know, we're still drinking soda and soda's not healthy.
No.
And so we had to get rid of it. But you know what? I was used to using discipline to try to break some habits. Now I used to smoke a long time ago in my 20s and I quit that. Now I quit that through aversion therapy. Every time I thought of smoking a cigarette, I thought of licking a dirty ashtray and throwing up. Okay, that's kind of gross. But I never once romanticized that cigarette once I had made that decision. Really, the power in giving something up, quitting, or getting rid of a bad habit is in your mind. It's the power of a made-up mind.
That's right.
Once you have motivation and leverage on yourself and you say, I'm definitely going to do this, and you commit to it, and you make up your mind, then it's just a matter of never romanticizing it and always associating it with a very negative feeling and image and
a negative neuro association is always excellent. So what we did on October 1st, me and Brian gave up Diet Coke.
Now, I was going to tell the true tale because this is Wolff Tales.
Okay.
The true tale is that Lynette has always been pretty healthy. She's never, gotten, had weight issues or anything, and she has so much energy. But the one negative health habit she had that was pernicious and widespread was she drank Diet Coke.
That's right.
And so she drank, I drank some Diet Coke and I drank Diet Mountain Dew, maybe a couple of cans a day or, 2 or 3 a day, but that adds up for sure, even 1 a day. So I knew it wasn't good for me either, but I felt like, if I could quit, then I wouldn't even say anything to her. So I just quit. And I quit in September.
That's right.
And then she just saw that I quit. And I never said a word. All credit to Lynette. I never said, honey, you should quit, or
Nope, he never said anything.
And all of a sudden, she just one day said, I'm not going to drink Diet Coke anymore. And boy, it was a lot harder for her to give that one up than me.
That's right. I remember it was October 1st of 2017. And I remember thinking, I'm like, wow, if Brian can give up Diet Coke, I can give it up.
Yes, so let's give it up.
Yeah, give it up.
Give up the Diet Coke.
No more Diet Coke.
Yeah.
Yes.
See you, Diet Coke.
We gave up the Diet Coke.
We gave up the Diet Coke.
And you know what? I feel a whole lot better. And one of the things about Diet Coke was I realized that I would drink it just out of habit. So what I did was I did a substitution. So instead of, I started drinking a lot more water. And you actually feel a whole lot better. Because I don't drink coffee either. So I didn't have that as a vice either. So, but once in a while, I will drink tea. But I don't put any, like Ron LeGrand said, just drink the tea straight. You don't need to put any sugars or additives or anything. So I just drink tea with no sweeteners or anything, and I love it. I mean, my life, I feel so much better. It's amazing, and I don't think twice about it.
It's great when you're giving up one bad habit to have a replacement habit there. So it's good to find a drink that you actually enjoy, and I have now gotten into sparkling water, so I like sparkling water.
Right.
And I'm trying to, make sure I even have to look at the health benefits there. And, if you're committing to a new thing, you want to make sure that new habit's healthy for you too. So, but I do drink a lot of water. I probably drink 1 sparkling water every 2 days. So I'm not really into that either. So we're both off the soda now. So if we can be a good role model for you on that.
That's right.
We've kicked a lot of things. I've kicked some things way more than Lynette, some bad habits. And now we're doing great, and we hope that you guys can, if we can motivate you to get past a bad habit, that'd be awesome.
That would be.
And remember, pick up all those good habits we talked about on Teaching Tuesday yesterday, the habits of highly successful real estate investors, and get these old bad habits out of the way.
That's right. So this is it for the brand new Wolff Tales.
Wolff Tales. Oh!
We love it when you like a clip.
It's even better when you leave a comment.
And you can even share it with a friend.
Remember to subscribe to get notified of our awesome new videos.